What's up guys, Tony here with iTech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Samsung Buds. Now I literally just got these in the mail a couple days ago. I got these because I pre-ordered the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and we're going to go ahead and unbox these right now and take a look and see how they sound. Okay, so let's see what you get inside the box here. These do retail for $130, but like I said, if you pre-ordered your one of your Samsung phones in a certain amount of time, you got these buds for free. It looks like a USB Type-C connector. Nice. So if you already have one of the Galaxy phones, you can pretty much just put this aside and save it because your phone comes with the same exact cord. And then here's your little case for your buds. It's pretty nice. Charging port in the back here. And you open these up, and they're your buds. Okay guys, so after you've unboxed your Galaxy Buds, you're going to go over to your phone, and what you're going to want to do is download the Galaxy Wear app. And then we're going to set up our buds. Make sure your Bluetooth is on. We'll open up the little case here. You see the light turns green. You'll go to search for a device. As you can see, it's already found the buds, so we'll go ahead and get those set up. Okay. All right, agree. All right, so you can get notifications right to your buds. You can turn all the ones on you want, or you can turn them off. I use Texture for my texting app, so I want to turn that on. Let's see here. Get it from Tesla 2. So you definitely want your phone calls, your text messages. Okay, so go to finish. And they're all paired up. So here's what you see when everything's all paired up. As you can see here, they're both at 100%. You can set the EQ here, which I said before, you can get a lot better sound if you adjust the EQ. It's not too bad outside of, the box, but you can make it better. So you can make the left one do something other than the right, which is cool. Find my earbuds. Let's see what happens when we touch that. So as you can hear, they make like a little chirping noise so you can find them. It does get a little louder than that. If you're in a totally quiet environment, you should be able to hear it, but it is a little faint, but it's something. So I just tried these earphones, and they sound pretty decent. You can definitely get a much better sound if you mess with like the phone's EQ and stuff like that, but just normally, they don't sound bad at all, and they're very comfortable in your ear. Not at all did it once feel, uncomfortable. One thing I will say is you need to make sure that you have the right earbuds in, because you want it to, kind of fill your ear with the speaker and kind of make a seal so it drowns out any other sounds from the outside, because if you have some sound leakage into your ear, the buds are not going to sound nearly as good as they would as if they were, totally sealing your ear off. And when you're playing music, if you just tap this once in your ear, it pauses the music. Tap it again, it starts to play again. Push it twice, and it skips to the next track. And for my phone, if I hold down on the button with my finger, it opens up the Google Assistant, which is super convenient, because then you don't have to pull out your phone to ask a question or whatever. So let's go ahead and try the wireless charging here. Okay, so we'll go ahead and close that up. As you can see, there's a little red light there. So go on your phone, and you're going to turn on power sharing, wireless power share. Turn that on. Okay, so then we will flip this over and put the earbuds on, and hopefully we'll see a green light. So as you can see, there is a little red light there. So that way you know that it is charging your earbuds. See, so the light's off. Go ahead and put it back on the phone. Feel a little vibration, and you see the little red light to let you know that it is charging. So that's pretty cool. And then once you open this back up again, it automatically connects to your phone. We've seen what it looks like when we hook it up to the Galaxy phone. Let's go ahead and see if we can hook it up to our Galaxy Watch and even an iPhone. Okay, so here we have my Galaxy Watch. We're going to go ahead and go into the Bluetooth settings. Okay, so as you can see, there are the Galaxy Buds. We're going to go ahead and connect to those. The Galaxy Buds are connected now. So go ahead and see if we can play something from them. So I don't really have any music on here, but I do have some ringtones, and they do work. So if you really want to, you could, leave your phone at home. Say if you're going running or if you want to go to the gym, you can just bring your Galaxy Watch and your buds and you're good to go. You don't have to haul around the big phone weighing down your pants, or, have to get something for your, like an armband or something. So they do work with the Galaxy Watch, so that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and see if they work with an iPhone. Okay, so here we have our iPhone XR. We're going to go ahead and go into our Bluetooth settings here. As you can see, nothing's connected. We'll go ahead and open up our buds. Green light's on. Searching for devices. Headset, earbuds. Here we go. Connect to that. Connected. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and go to YouTube here. Put one of these in our ear. And we'll play some iPhone XR unboxing. And it is working. That is awesome. So as you can see, you can use it with a Samsung device, pretty much any Android. It also works with iPhone, and you can use your Galaxy Watch. That is very cool. Yep. That is awesome. Okay. So how do I feel about these buds? Would I recommend them? If you can get them on sale for maybe $100, I would probably recommend them. I don't know if they're $130 recommendable, but like I said, they do sound good. They are able to be used with a multitude of different devices, even, iPhones, which is really cool, so everybody can enjoy them. They have that cool touch feature, which I really like. But yeah, so they do sound pretty good. If you can get them on sale for $99 or cheaper, I definitely go ahead and recommend you pick some of these up. They can be charged wirelessly or wired, which is a nice thing, especially if you have the Galaxy S10. You can do that reverse wireless charging and keep you going. So, but that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, as always, please feel free to ask. I'll be more than happy to test out or try out anything you guys would like to know. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you know when I put out new videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.